Hello and welcome back to Michigan Hobby Hunter. Today we're going to breathe some new life into this old Spokeshave with a little bit of added customization to it. So this is what we're bringing back to life today. I bought this off eBay and it's missing most of the Japanning, so I'm going to repaint it. The iron is not at the same curvature as the Spokeshave itself, so we're going to fix that. We're going to hone it up. And I've seen that these have these little recessed screw spots, it looks like. I'm sure it's for hanging something, but I think I'm going to make a little piece of wood in here to make this handle a little more comfortable to hold. As we're going to use cherry and purple heart for the handles. So stay tuned. If you can, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content similar to this. Now the reason I'm using flat black and the cheap stuff is because the cheap stuff, it really doesn't matter with flat black as long as it's black. I have had dollar paint that was flat and it wasn't black. It was like a dark gray. So as long as you find a good black, flat black, I like to use the flat black because you can put it on thick. It dries really quick. Like this is about dry. It is dry, see? So it dries that quick. And you can put it on extremely thick. I will lacquer this afterwards, but I can hit anything with a lot of angles like this checkering that's inside of these. I hit them with the flat black because it fills everything in without filling it up with the clear coat or the gloss, what would make it glossy. So it's more of like a powder finish. Oh, I apologize guys, I just looked up and I seen that I was not recording the cut. This is Purple Heart. And this will be the Purple Heart strip that will be sandwiched in between these two pieces of cherry burl. And then I will cut them and make my teardrop shape handles. my friends, I'd like to thank you for watching Michigan Hobby Hunter. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Ring the notification bell if you want to get future notifications. You guys have a very blessed day. Peace.